I love the whole process of painting, right from the beginning when I'm opening up a brand new canvas to the time I set it all up, and then when I actually get to paint. It's still thrilling to me after all these years. Hi, my name is Soraya, and welcome to my art channel. Please keep watching, you'll see exactly what I do with this huge canvas. Today I'm using only 3 colors: Pebeo Studios Iridescent Gold, Artist Loft Flow Acrylics just white, plain old white, and Amsterdam Oxide Black. I mix all those colors with Flood Floetrol. It's American Flood Floetrol. I also pour just a little bit of water, maybe a tablespoon, if that, maybe that's a teaspoon. Not very much water, and mix it in really well. Now on to the fun part. I pour the white paint onto the canvas, and this time I just kind of went in a circular motion. You can really do it any old way. The important part is when you're blowing it out. That is the way you're going to get a really beautiful painting. How you're pouring it, not so much. It's more about the blowing out part. I used 3 of those tumblers, which I believe are 16 ounces each. Next, as you can see, is the gold. I just put it across the canvas because I knew I wanted it to fill the canvas. I didn't want to have a lot of the black, so I just used a bit concentrated in the middle of the painting. So I start by blowing in the middle, and I really take my time, go very, very slowly, and I have my setting on a low setting. When I get to the edges, I do tend to switch it out to a higher setting. It blows faster because that's just the edges and it's just the white. I'm just trying to cover the canvas at that point. But right now, it's very slow and it's on low and it's on cool. Look at all those scrumptious cells. I was thrilled when I saw that. I sing next. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm these lonely nights. I love you, baby, trust in me when I say. I wanted to make sure that you can see the whole process. I haven't cut out anything here. There's just one little section that I did speed up just a little bit. All the other ones are exactly how I did it. Don't you love this music? I hope you're relaxing, enjoying watching this video. I make sure that when I'm blowing that I'm keeping the hairdryer's cord way up high, because I've had it where it's haven't been paying attention to it and it just goes into the painting and it causes all kinds of problems for me. So make sure you kind of are aware of where that cord is when you're doing this. I'm speeding things up here just a little bit, just for the sake of time. I'm back to regular speed here, and I'm switching back and forth between a very low blowing setting and then higher at the edges. Be sure to check out my description area. It's that little arrow kind of right below the video. You can see that I have a lot of information there, where I get my paints, what the paints I use, where you can buy my art or my prints of art work that I produce. So there's lots of great information there. Go check it out. I'd be curious to know what your favorite color combinations are. This is just one of my favorite. I do have several, but I'd love to know what yours are. Leave me that a comment and let me know. It's really hard sometimes to have to blow over some areas where it's already so beautiful, but you know that there's a lot of paint there and you can't just let it sit that way. So you have to bite the bullet and do the best you can and blow it out and make it beautiful. Here's another example. I was so hesitant there. I was being so careful not to disturb that gorgeous, gorgeous center. So here's another really important tip. If you're just starting out, use 3 colors, just like I did here. You can even use the same exact colors that I use. Don't make your life complicated. Start off with easy color combinations and you'll have great success. Can you guess what I named this painting? I tell you near the end. Keep watching. There are some pockets here, a few places that have no white. I'm gonna just mix up some more and fill in those puddles. So this part went pretty easy and very quickly. If you do happen to have this happen to you as well, you just need to have that little bit of extra paint on hand. Fill it in while it's still wet. Most important part. Here it is up close. Look at this. Oh, I love it. It is so beautiful. I love all the cells. It is really beautiful and such an elegant combination of the gold and white and black. It really is beautiful, timeless. So I'm gonna let it dry and I'll show you what it looks like here in just 1 second. So here it is after a couple of days. I love it. I'm not gonna change it up at all. Love these big cells here. And then look at all these little ones. Beautiful. So gorgeous. The lacing intermixed with all that with all the cells. It's gorgeous. That is stunning. Look at that. Look at that lacing. So the neutrals to me are just so beautiful. Love this metallic gold, the black, the white. It just works. It's stunning painting. It's huge and I hope that it finds a home soon. I've got images coming up so you can take your time looking at it, so keep watching.